My Mini. It's gonna be an interesting one. So we're gonna go ahead and go from here. So Tello take off, and I got my Mavic Mini. We have two drones flying at the same time, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if we can touch down. Uh-oh, he's just tracking it down. Oh, I'm gonna go back over here and back it up just a little bit so I got no worries. No obstacle avoidance needed because I got prop guards on. There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can track it down. And it's tracking it down, and let's go. And then I have that, and then that's all I need to do right now. And you can see here, and then we're gonna go ahead and go up. It's tracking. Look at that! Oh, my Tello is tracked down my Mini. All right, let's go ahead and do the tracking. And it's tracking it right now. Go forward, go backwards. All right, you can see. Woohoo! Look at that. Again, start tracking the object. Woo! Ah, move it up, move it up. Oh. All right, guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and you guys can see how Tello actually do this active track. And I mean, even the Mavic Mini don't even have this feature yet, and I don't know what's wrong with DJI would not throw in a firmware update. It doesn't make sense. Do we have to rely on Dji? Do we have to find another app? Do we have to pay extra money to have this feature? I mean, look at it. Tello can do it now, and this is in low light, guys.